Hello my people, now welcome back to another video. If today is the first day you all see my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So my people, today's video I will show you how to cook yummy and delicious egusi soup, guys. Trust me when I say this egusi tastes so good. So if you want to know how to make this egusi soup, then keep on watching. I beg, make you not forget to like, comment and share, okay? Abeg make una dey share my video. So let's get started. So first of all my people, I dey like fry my egusi. See guys, if you no dey fry your egusi before you cook am, you dey miss. See, trust me, you dey miss big time. I dey like to go through this process, okay? When I wan cook my egusi soup, I'll just fry am, you know, toast am for some time, for like 2 to 3 minutes. E get this aroma, this taste wey dey give to my egusi soup. Guys, try it out, okay? Trust me, you will thank me later. And another thing, if you be say your egusi no dey set away for your bed, then know some people eat egusi finish go dey purge them. But if you fry your egusi like this, trust me, you know that purge no go dey, okay? So for our protein, we dey use goat meat and cow leg. This goat meat I just dey bring am out for freezer now. So I dey always wash my meat before I put am for freezer. So I just dey bring am out for freezer. Then make una dey see am say e still block, okay? Still get eyes for body. So I just put am for my pot. Then I come put my ginger paste, put seasoning, salt, onions. Then I just put then add enough water, you know, to cook the meat, okay? I just add it. You fit use any protein of your choice, guys, okay? If you use any protein of your choice, I just put enough water to cook the meat. I can cover and make it boil for some time. Then later I can add stock fish. This na stock fish already wash. I wash am well with hot water and salt, okay? Then I can add am. You fit still use any stockfish of your choice, okay? Then I can add am. Then after I add am finish, the meat don cook, okay? At this point e don cook already. Then I can put this na mackerel fish straight from the oven. I dey like to grate my fish, okay? You fit add am like that if you want. I can add am inside, okay? Then this is it. After like 20 minutes, the meat don cook, everything is ready. Then I can set some aside, okay? Now make we fry our egusi soup, our egusi. So this na red oil. I just put my red oil for my pan. Then I can bleach the oil small. Then I can put onions. This na onions. I can stir fry the onions for some time, for like 2 to 3 minutes. After I fry for 2 minutes, then I can put this now blended habanero pepper, which is fresh pepper and onions. No tomatoes, okay? Just fresh pepper and onions. See guys, if you want make your egusi soup, make your egusi sweet, add plenty onions. Yes, add plenty onions. You go thank me later. So this now the egusi. After it don't cool down, then I can begin blend down. So I can blend down. So after my pepper and onions mix don't fry for some time, then I can pour the Fred. This now a crayfish, okay? Blended crayfish. Then I can add crayfish. Then I can stir for some time. After it don't fry small, then I can put this now the egusi, blended egusi. Then I can add them inside, guys. At this point, make you not leave your egusi, because egusi dey quick dey burn, okay? I just begin dey stir, okay? I just stir fry the egusi until the fresh pepper, the sauce and the egusi marry each other. Yes, I can begin stir fry. I can fry for some time, for like 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah, I can fry. Just make sure say it properly fried, guys. At this point, you make sure your egusi fry well. Yes, go fry well. If you don't want get that lumpy, you know, egusi soup. You know that kind of egusi soup wey we say, like if you use a serve of gaga, or not say yes, yes. As you guys can see now, like this is supposed to be well fried. This is well fried egusi. Then I can fry them, as you guys can see. After I don't fry them for some time, then I can put the meat and the meat stock, the fish, everything. I just add them inside. Check out this egusi. This egusi tastes so good, guys. It tastes so yummy. So guys, if you don't watch me up to this time and you never subscribe, wetin you still dey wait for, guys? What are you still waiting for? Make una subscribe, comment and share, baby. Make una dey share my video. Una dey share my video, okay? Share with your loved ones, family and friends, okay? Then I come add the meat, the fish stock, everything. I just add them inside. Then I come stir, guys. At this point in my house, they scent everywhere. They scent everywhere. They scent, guys. This soup tastes so good, guys. I don't know if you are ready to see. This soup tastes so good, as you can see. So I can stir fry for some time. I just turn everything together. After I just turn it together, then I can put crayfish, the remaining crayfish, just a little bit of crayfish. Yes, this is not the secret of sweet egusi soup. The secret of sweet egusi soup na crayfish and onions. Yes, that is the secret. Then I can put the remaining crayfish. This na crayfish. Then I can add them. Then I can cover and make it cook for some time. Okay, after I don cook this na bitter leaf. Bitter leaf and the egusi soup they be like, and the egusi they be like 5 and 6. I dey like bitter leaf inside egusi soup. Anyway, guys, you fit use any leaf, I mean any vegetable of your choice, okay? But I dey like bitter leaf inside my egusi soup. Then I just put am inside. I come stir. Then I come cover and make it simmer for some time. Then I come taste for seasonings, for salt. Because the seasoning when I use to boil the meat just dey okay. Then you come need small salt. Then I just put small salt. Okay, then I can cover and make it steam for some time. So our egusi done ready. So guys, I'll see you again for my next one. See you in my next one, guys. Bye.